In year two, the children learn to add a 2-digit number and another 2-digit number. So we're going to have a go at doing one of those when you do not bridge the ones. So the ones are not making more than 10. So the first thing you do is that you look at the equation. The equation shows 55 plus 24. I can see that 24 is the smallest part that I'm adding. So I'm going to partition 24 into tens and ones. And we would do this with tens and ones deans practically as well to help support the children's understanding. Before they would move on to doing it just from their heads. So I've got 55 add 24. I'm going to partition 24 and I can see I've got 2 tens, which is 20. And I've got 4 ones, which is 4. This is going to help me to be able to add 24 more easily because I'm going to partition it into add the tens and then I'm going to add the ones. So I will start here on 55 because that's my largest part and I'm going to add the smallest part to work out what the whole is. So 55 plus 20 and I'm going forwards on my number line because I'm adding. So I'm adding the 20 in one chunk. This is why it's really important that children can count in tens from any number so that they can do this easily in their heads. So 55 add 20, I know that the 20 is going to be added to the tens column, which is here, at 5 tens. So I have to add 5 and 2, which makes 7. So 5 tens and 2 tens makes 7 tens, which is 70. And then I've got my 5 ones that remain the same because I'm not adding any ones in my 20. And I've worked out that 55 add 20 makes 75. There is a lot of related facts that the children need to know to be able to do this with ease. Once I've added my 20, then I add my 4 to my 75. And again, the children will need to know all of their number facts to 10 in order to be able to do this easily without needing to count. So 75, add my 4. Again, I'm going forwards on the number line because I'm adding. So I know 5 and 4 makes 9. So then my whole amount is 79. So 55 plus 24 is equal to 79.